I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Subaru Outback. First, adjust your seat and mirrors for a clear view of your surroundings. Locate the brake pedal and press it firmly. Insert the key or press the start button to ignite the engine. Take a moment to check your dashboard for any warning lights. Remember to always wear your seatbelt for safety. Now you're ready for the next steps in driving your Outback. Once the engine is running, press the brake pedal and shift the gear selector into drive for forward motion or reverse for backing up. Slowly release the brake pedal. The car will begin to creep forward or backward. To accelerate, gently press the gas pedal. Remember to use smooth, controlled movements for a comfortable ride. Practice in a safe, open area to get a feel for the vehicle's response. When turning, always signal well in advance and check your mirrors and blind spots. Approach turns at a safe speed, then gently accelerate as you exit the turn. For parking, use your mirrors and, if equipped, the rearview camera or parking sensors. Practice parallel and perpendicular parking in a low-traffic area. Smooth steering inputs will make your maneuvers more controlled and confident. Prioritize safety by maintaining a safe following distance and adhering to speed limits. Regularly check your tire pressure, oil, and other fluid levels to keep your Subaru Outback running smoothly. Consult your owner's manual for recommended service intervals and maintenance tips. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Safe driving and happy travels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.